Good day viewers and thanks for tuning in to Polymerupdate TV, the world's first and only TV network with the free petrochemicals news show. You're watching the Petrochemical Market Synopsis with me, Pratiksha Jaipal. It's Wednesday, November 9th. Let's start with energy news. Crude oil prices fell steeply on Tuesday owing to a rise in crude oil and gasoline inventories in the USA. Brent crude prices fell by $2.56, settling at $95.36 per barrel, while WTI futures decreased by $2.88, settling at $88.91 per barrel. On Tuesday, OpenSpec Naphtha prices rose by $6 per metric ton at $713 per metric ton, CFR Far East Asia levels. Before we move on to the Asian market updates for PP, PE and the PVC, please do click on the bell icon to subscribe to our free news channel, and if you like today's video, please remember to like this video by giving us a thumbs up. It motivates us to continue to bring you this free informative news service on a daily basis. Back to the Asian market updates for PP, PE and the PVC. In LDPE, this week LDPE prices journeyed southward in Asia owing to persistent dull demand trends coupled with lower import offers from overseas suppliers. Surplus inventories also pressured prices lower in the region. Buyers were reportedly observing the current market fundamentals to assess when prices would bottom out. In Far East Asia, LDPE film grade prices were assessed at USD 990 to 1030 per metric ton CFR levels, a week-on-week fall of $20 per metric ton. In Southeast Asia, LDPE film grade prices were assessed at USD 1070 to 1130 per metric ton CFR levels, a drop of $20 from the previous week. In India, LDPE prices were assessed at USD 1200 to 1250 per metric ton CFR levels, down by $30 per metric ton from last week. In polypropylene, this week PP prices dropped in Southeast Asia and the South Asian region. Prices fell on the back of a weak buying pulse coupled with ample supply avails and lower import offers from overseas suppliers. Buyers in the region were heard to have taken a cautious stance and were reportedly observing the current market outlook to get a correct assessment of when prices would bottom out. A shortfall in orders for end products from the domestic and overseas markets weighed adversely on demand for polypropylene. In polyethylene, this week PE prices declined across Asia. A slowdown in buying momentum and surplus cargo supplies contributed to the fall in prices. Buyers were reportedly observing the current market fundamentals to assess when prices would bottom out. Lower import offers from overseas suppliers further pulled prices lower in the region. Buyers are likely to steer clear of replenishing their inventories on the back of weak market fundamentals. In polyvinyl chloride, this week PVC prices journeyed southward in Asia. Continued tepid buying sentiment pressured prices lower. The bearish pricing sentiment was also triggered by lower offers from overseas suppliers. Buyers in Asia were seen to have adopted a wait-and-watch attitude to observe which direction the market would take and when prices would bottom out. Abundant PVC cargoes in Asia and rising concerns over economic headwinds proved to be contributory factors in driving prices downward. That's all for today's Polymer News. Watch our daily news video tomorrow to know more. This is Polymer Update with me, Pratiksha Jaipal from Mumbai. Many thanks for watching.